We have 2 new letters in this chapter. Luckily for us, they are the same sound, and one of them you kind of already know the name of the letter because we've been hinting at it in chapter 5 and chapter 2. We know vav as a vowel sound. In this chapter, we're going to practice it as a consonant. So we know the letter vav, vav, just this one little line, vav, and then vet. We know its cousin, the letter bet, that has a dot. In this case, when there's no dot, it's called a vet. So I don't love how the book says bet without a dot. It's called vet. It is definitely called vet. So line I don't know why I did that last night too. Line 1, va, va, vo, vo, ve, they, vi, vu, vu. And notice in this first line, these are all the vowel sounds we should know up until this chapter. A, o, a, I, u. Line 2. Now we're going to practice vav as a consonant. They, vel, vul, val, vav, shav, mav, mu, mo, move. Line 3. Tuv, luv, hoov, luv, move, chuv. Line 4. Lave, shave, tave, have, bail, baish, bait, bay. Notice the difference between vet and bet. Line 5. Limo, shimo, lamu, shamu, lamav, shamav. And then later in the chapter, it explains vav is a prefix more often than not. It means and. So vi means and, like A-N-D in English. So when you're called up to the Torah for an aliyah, it'll be your Hebrew name, ben, bat, nafshi, son, daughter, soul of, your parent, your parent. So your first parent and your second parent. So line 6, vishabat, vishalom, vishamru, velohe, vashem. And sometimes grammatically, you'll have a different vowel sounds. Instead of vi, it'll be ve or va. Again, it's all grammatical, so you do not need to worry about that. Line 7 through 13, I think I went to. We are learning a new vowel sound. We're really only learning one new vowel sound in this chapter, and I'll explain when we get down to line 9. So, one dot is going to be an E vowel sound. It's called a chirik. So, adding a bet to our E vowel sound, B. If it's followed by a yud, still the same thing. B. E. E. Chi. Chi. She. Line 8. Leem. Team. Reich. And more often than not, sometimes you'll find a typo where it's only supposed to be one dot, or it should be two dots, like you've seen in my mistakes earlier in these videos. So make sure you're really looking, is it one dot or two dots? I think that's the most confusion people usually get around this one dot vowel sound. All right, line 9. So we're learning this new ah vowel sound. I know it looks scary, but it is the exact same as this. We are just adding these two dots to it, okay? So we're adding a schwa to this ah vowel sound. You do not need to worry about the name of it. So we have ani, ha-chi, ami, shivi, lechi, shemi. There's no difference between this vowel sound and this vowel sound. It is all grammatical. You do not need to worry about it. Line 10, similar thing. We are taking our 3-dot vowel sound, which I'm having a little trouble finding an example one. Of course, I didn't put one on the sheet. Good God. Way to go, me. So imagine these 2 dots aren't here, and we just have the 3. It's going to be the same exact thing. So this, the 3 dots, plus these 2 dots on the side, the schwa, is the exact same thing. So this is and this is This is and this is Okay? So, line 10. Elul, emul, emun, emunah, emunat. Again, same thing as these vowel sounds in line 9. It is all grammatical. You do not need to worry yourself about it. Line 11, 12, and 13, we are just putting these vowel sounds to use along with our new letters vet and vav. So line 11. Chamor, chalom, chanoch, avoch, avon. Notice we have vav as a consonant, and then the vav vowel sound o, followed by a final nun. Do not get these mixed up. A final nun is always going to come at the end of the word, and it's also going to come a little bit lower than the letters preceding it. Avon. Line 12. Ta'ava, ahava, ta'avat, ta'avan, ta'avat. Line 13. Chavur, chavura, chavula, chavuli. And I will see you in our next review, probably chapter 7 and on. Good luck.